Today we'll be making Nani's old-fashioned mango jam. Let's start with a joke. Why did the mango cross the road? The answer is coming up in a bit. All you need are 2 mangoes and the juice of 2 limes, along with 4 cups of white granulated sugar. Now we can take the 2 mangoes and slice them into pieces along the long ways, cutting around the seeds. Once all the flesh is cut off of the seeds, we can cut them all up and then take out the pulp by hedgehogging or cutting horizontally and then vertically so that the pulp can pop out easily. We then apply a sharp spoon or knife to scoop out the pulp and then throw the skins away. This recipe is great because it's so simple. There are no artificial colors or preservatives, and it is naturally vegan and gluten-free. There's no dairy, eggs, or oil. It is also a great source of vitamins A, B, C, potassium, fiber, and choline. Now we measure how much pulp we have. Our 2 mangoes made about 2 cups of mango pulp, so we'll add 4 cups of sugar, or double the amount of mango. Next, we cook the mango pulp on medium heat in a frying pan for 10 minutes or until soft. And while that's simmering away, let me tell you the answer to the joke. Why did the mango cross the road? Because his friend on the other side yelled, "Hey man, go!" Get it? Mango. Once the mango is cooked for 10 minutes or until soft, we add 4 cups of white granulated sugar. Stir the sugar into the pulp and try to keep it moving until it is all dissolved, such that the sugar does not burn. We used 2 sweet Tommy Atkins mangoes, which were soft to the touch. If you have any extra ripe mangoes during the summer, mango jam stores much longer than fruit and can keep for 6 months. Making Nani's old-fashioned jam is the only way to store a ray of summer in the fridge, which can be enjoyed year-round. After adding the sugar, let it simmer on low heat for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. After, it will have a nice caramel color and will have foam on top. We skim the foam for clarity and since it is mostly sugar. As it simmers, we remove any extra fibers to make sure the jam is easier to scoop and spread on toast. We squeeze out the juice of 2 limes and add to our jam. If your mangoes are very tart, you can use less lime or omit them entirely. Add the lemon juice at the end and simmer for 5 minutes or until the jam reaches your desired consistency. Let it cool for 15 to 30 minutes and then it's ready to jar. We used a 24-ounce mason jar and then ladled in the jam. Check out that honey-colored syrupy goodness. We then spread a little bit of jam on some gluten-free toast and added a sprig of basil. Wow, what a great way to spend the summer.